Welcome to Lesson 4. This lesson will cover files and databases. Firstly, we start off with files. Here you can see we're going to make a directory called folder. Now for the file, we're going to put it in folder, which will be the directory we just created, and the name will be file.txt. This goes to the variable file name, and then we're going to open, which means open a new file, the file which we're going to create, and this W means write only, and if the file doesn't exist it's going to make the new file, and then we put that into this variable, and then once that's all done we close the connection to this file. So let's go see if this works. Okay, and we'll check here, and it's got folder and we've got file and it's blank, so that's right. Okay, so what I've currently done just now is I've commented out this make dir with just 2 slashes, and this is another way you can comment out things by putting a slash and the asterisk, and then anything in here will be commented out until you put the asterisk and the slash back in. Okay, so now this reads, if there is a directory called folder, then output folder exists. And it's the same thing for the file. If the file in folder / file.txt exists, then print out file exists. So let's try that out, and it works. Before writing to the file, you can do a simple check to see if the file is writable. This just says if the file is writable, then output file is writable. So in here you could have the file writing part. Yep, and the file is writable. As you can see, this is the write to file section. It's the same as before, except this is an A, which means append. We've got string, and this is the string to be put in the file. And this says put this string in this file, and it just closes the connection to the file. So let's check this out. Refresh it and check the file, and it has it there. This little thing here, if I was to put it like that, then it wouldn't leave a line break, so you have to put it like that to leave a line break. So if I refresh it again and go back to here, it's on a different line. So now let's say you want to delete the file or the folder. You just go to this and it says unlink, so delete, and if this is successful in deleting the file, it says file deleted, and it says remove directory, and if it's successful it says folder deleted. So let's check this out. It says file deleted and folder deleted. So let's check the folder, and the folder's not there, and the file got deleted as well. So that covers the basics of files. Now we move on to databases. At this point I assume you have MySQL installed and you know how to run the server, so this is the command to run it. Okay, so it's starting, it's all fine. So now we need to change the password from nothing to whatever password you want. Okay, so it's changed the password to mypass. So now if you want to shut it down for any reason, you just use this. So MySQL admin, users root, password is mypass, and shut down, and that will shut it down. So let's go into the PHP section. Okay, so this is saying MySQL connect, and this is localhost. This is the username, and this is the password to connect, and it says or die, so if it doesn't do it then it just outputs this and the specific MySQL error, and this says select the database, my database, so we're going to have to create that. But before we do that, it's generally not a good idea to use root in any kind of scripts. So let's go create the database.